Hey friends, welcome to the channel Data with Him. Today we are exploring a handy feature of Microsoft Excel, which is text to column. With the help of this feature, we can split data from one single column into multiple columns based on a delimiter. First, let's take a look at the example here, which we have full names, and our goal is to split these full names into first and last names. So with the help of text to column, we can do it very easily because here we have a delimiter, which is space. So let's go and select these cells. Go to the Data tab. Here we have an option called Text to Columns. Click on Text to Columns. Here we have two options, delimited or fixed width. We have delimited here. Click on it and click on Next. Here we have to specify which delimiter we want to use here because our first name and last name is separated by a space. So here we have to select a space. But we have other options also, tab, semicolon, comma, and other. If there is any specific delimiter, we can write it here in this blank space. And here, because our delimiter is a space, so we will check the space option. And here you can see that when I select this space as delimiter, here in this data preview, it will show us from where exactly it will split our data. Then click on Next. Here we have to choose the column data format. Is it general, is it text, is it date, and so on. So we will choose general here. And here we have the destination. We have to select our destination. Let's add the destination B2. Then click on Finish. Now you can see that here, exactly from the space that we had in between these names, it split our data into multiple columns. Let's add the column header. As simple as that. Now here we have another example that here we have addresses, streets, city, and states. They are separated by comma. So we have comma delimiter here, but we want to split this data into multiple columns. So how we can do this? Again, select the cells, go to the Data tab. Here click on Text to Columns. And here, again, delimited, click on Next. It's not a space this time, it is comma. If we choose space, you can see that it will split from different points. But we want to split from where comma is located. Then click on Next. Again, we have to choose the destination. This time I want this destination to be A2. Then click on Finish. Now you can see that this is a street, this is city, and the last one is state. As simple as that. Finally, let's handle the data that is separated by tab. Here we have the employee details. And when I select this cell, you can see that here we have the employee ID, then we have a tab, then we have the employee name, then we have a tab, and at last we have the department. So with the help of the text to column, again, we can split these data in 3 different columns. So let's select these cells, go to the Data tab. Here we have text to column, again, delimited, Next. This time this is tab, then Next. Then we have to choose the column data format and also destination. Click on Finish. Here we have the employee ID, employee name, and department. Let's format these other cells also. And let's adjust the width of it. And there you have it. We have covered splitting names by spaces, splitting addresses by commas, and splitting employee details by tabs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.